there. He was like, what the hell? What is going on, guys? So after all those street skids, we ended up crashing the Miata on the way home. So sad. I didn't even have the GoPro rolling. I'm sorry. I wish I had it, but we weren't doing anything. I was literally going so slow. And the reason this happened is because I still have these stupid 14-inch wheels, and I have the brake caliper zip tied to the control arm. So it only has front brakes. Only has front brakes, and the front tires are completely bald. The insides are on the belts, and it happened when I was taking a turn in the pouring rain with wet leaves and a painted sidewalk to even have less traction. And obviously when you're turning, it's really only like driving on the inside of the wheel where the belts are. There's no traction. So the thing just went straight, and yeah, I sideswiped the rig. Drove it home, no critical damage, just, you know, another dent. I'm thankful though it was on the Miata, because the Miata already has some freaking wounds from the previous owner. I did not do these. This is the first time I've ever added a dent of my own. But yeah, maybe we'll make something cool with it somehow. I want to have somebody paint it, maybe like over it, or maybe just a new door if I don't have it painted. I don't know. We'll see. The thing's folded though, obviously. I think it'd be cool to have like a design, like a mouth or like some crazy crap like drawn on it. But yeah, it happens. It happens. So live and learn, guys. Obviously, my setup was not the smartest, and it was not the smartest thing to do. But luckily, I have some 15-inch wheels now that I can put on the back, so I can actually put the brake caliper on and have my e-brake. Because it's going to be a lot easier to drift with the e-brake. But make sure to leave a comment, guys, on what you thought of the POV drifting, like the point of view with the GoPro. It probably would have been cooler with a couple of outside shots, like inside of it too. But obviously it was pouring out and I didn't want to have someone standing in the rain. But otherwise, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to share this video with your friends, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace!
Why self-life? We got London on the track.